Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to cancel your Target credit card. So make sure you watch the video till the end and follow through the instructions. First of all, in order to cancel your Target credit card, open up a web browser, go to the URL box and type in target.com and search. Doing so will take you to the official website for Target. Unfortunately, Target does not currently offer online cancellation for their credit card, so you will need to contact them via phone. In order to find the phone number or the contact details, scroll all the way down from your Target website. Click on the Contact Us button under Help at the bottom of the screen. From Choose a Topic drop-down, select Target Credit and Debit. You will then be able to find a list of contact information. Simply go ahead and make a phone call to the contact number displayed on the screen and speak to a customer service representative and tell them that you'd like to cancel your credit card. But before you proceed with this process, ensure you've paid off your entire balance to avoid any cancellation fees. During the call, be prepared to state your reason for cancelling. This will help Target improve their services. You can also write down a mail stating that you'd like to cancel your credit card and send it to this mailing address. So that was how you can easily cancel your credit card for Target. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.